Okay, so now we're going to hop over to something I really like is my stuff. And so this is a one-stop shop to see how your aspect of the project is progressing. So you can quickly go in and say, okay, give me all the items that I've raised myself. I may not be responsible for delivering on them, but I raised them, so I want to see how they're doing. And for each one of these, I could drill down to the individual item to get more detail. But on one page, it shows all the risks, issues, actions, decisions, dependencies, and tasks that I have raised. Or I could say, just give me the ones that are assigned to me. Or I want to see all the ones, including the closed items. Or I want to see just the ones that have changed in the past week so I can really action those directly. A really quick and easy way for me to understand as a subject matter expert or as a team member or as a project manager what is specifically applicable to me.